we use mostly two stresses, drying the plant and cutting it with scissors. And in both cases, they emit sounds. During dehydration, we see that if we stop watering the plant, it starts emitting a sound at about day 2, peaks.
We're recording sounds emitted by tomato plants, but these sounds are ultrasonic sounds, so we humans can't hear them. In order to show what these sounds are like, we took many sounds, we put them together in a small time frame, and we changed the frequency so human ears can hear them. This is an example of such a manipulation we did on tomato sounds that we recorded. And these are sounds that were recorded from grapevines and manipulated in the same manner.
But there are animals who can hear them. For example, insects like moths, mammals like mice, bats. But why they are doing it is actually an exciting question that is not yet clear. There are two options. The exciting direction is it is used for communication, but there is also the option that the sounds are a byproduct of physiological processes. And still, it means that there are sounds out there in the air and they contain information. So organisms to whom these sounds may be relevant could have evolved to respond to the sounds. So we can think of a female moth intending to lay eggs. It can lay eggs on a tomato, and now there are several tomato bushes. Some of them are emitting sounds and others are not. Would it prefer the ones that emit sounds or the ones that do not? This is something we are looking at the moment.